When you feel overwhelmed with stress to the point of breaking down, don't share it with others, nor wallow in self-pity. No one may truly sympathize with your pain. People's joys and sorrows are not interlinked. When you expose your inner scars too readily to others, they might just quietly observe as if it were a joke. In the deep silence of the night, take out your heart, mend it yourself, stitch by stitch. Then, after a good sleep, wake up with renewed confidence. Whether you're overlooked or outperformed, try to find tranquility. Focus on what you need to do, instead of letting anxiety and irritation destroy your already limited enthusiasm and focus. Continuing to move forward amidst a breakdown is the beginning of maturity.